Alright, so since I have the front bumper off, moving forward now that the interior's done, when I took my fenders off, I noticed these bolts rusting and adding a little rust to my front clip here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take those off. Same thing on the other side. Just take them off. And I'm going to sand a little bit where the rust is starting to try to get through. And then I'm going to put some rust inhibitor and black primer over what I've got put on, so this doesn't happen again. So low preventive maintenance, trying to get her done by the end of this month, maybe next month. I hope that these two will look super nice sitting side by side. My hit and run suspect.